for those of you joining, my name is Carrie, and I'm the owner of wildflowerartbycarrie.com. And I'm just doing a little garden chat, greenhouse chat today. I haven't gone through my plants since I brought them down to my greenhouse, the Wildflower Casita. So I am doing that today, and I figured I'd put on the live and see if you guys wanted to watch. And kind of talk about what's going on here in New Mexico and how we've had a beautiful fall, very warm, no really serious hard freeze yet. The trees are now turning their beautiful colors, which I haven't seen. I've been here in this area for 11 years, and we always get like a hard freeze with the leaves still green, and it just takes the leaves out, usually at the end of October, or snow in November. And so far this year it's been really warm, and we haven't had that. We haven't had a lot of wind. So the trees are all going through their change, and they're just beautiful this year. Really enjoying the color. My trumpet vines, wisteria, everything is just looking really pretty. I've been posting pictures on my TikTok. I post a daily picture of the change and stuff, and how my gardens look this time of year, and just been really spectacular. So I'm not seeing any worms on here either. I do see old leaves that are, like this one here, that got munched on, but that might have been from weeks ago. So, because I'm not seeing like any worm feces, so I think that might have been before I put it in the greenhouse. Just give these guys a good clean up and make sure they're all tended to for the winter. I gave them all a feed last week, so they should start blooming. And like I said, my geraniums do better in my greenhouse because they don't have to deal with the wind and the dry heat. It's a little more moisture in here, and then the wind doesn't dry them out and beat them up as much either. We get a lot of wind here in New Mexico, and just dry, especially summer, just dry, hot air blowing around. So I wanted to say real quick, this t-shirt, for those of you that have joined, I have several t-shirts on my website. This one I created, this was from last year. A big swallowtail had landed on one of the Tithonias in my garden. And then my gardening statement is gardens grow love, happiness, and smiles. And it looks like it's backwards on the screen. But I have several different types of shirts. This one's actually a short sleeve shirt, but I have a long sleeve on underneath because it was a little cool out. So, but I have all kinds of different long sleeve, short sleeve shirts. I have coffee mugs, tote bags, canvas prints, puzzles, and then my artwork items, my blossom bottles, I have a whole bunch of neat little gift items and things. So if you're looking for a special gift for someone or yourself, just visit wildflowerartbycarrie.com, or you can go to my my link in my bio. And there's a link tree there, and that'll take you to my website. And then there's also my other social media if you want to follow me there as well. So, but I plan on doing more of these, and setting up the tripod and having you all come watch me putter down here and work on my plants and stuff. And you'll see how pretty they're all going to get as they as the season goes on and they start to bloom and they get their feed and they're in their nice warm environment here. So it's it's nice through the winter. It's all brown and yucky, but come in here and it's all full of color and happiness and things like that. So, but anyways, yeah, please visit my website. If you'd like to make a purchase, it'd be greatly appreciated. And thank you for anyone who's followed or anything today. Appreciate that as well. So you all take care, and we'll talk soon, and bye for now.